Hello crafters, this is Agnes from Agnes Craft. Today we will be learning about braiding and bandaging in quilling and to make a corn using this technique. If you are new here, then this is a channel with card making tutorials on quilling and stamping techniques. So click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get updates with our new videos. Find me on Facebook and Instagram with my quilling works. So this is the paper braiding we are going to learn today. I have 3 strips of quilling paper. Glue tip of one of the strips and adhere another strip at 90 degrees so that they form a L shape. Now stick the next green strip above the red strip. Just look carefully. The blue strip is below and the green strip is above the red strip. Now bend the blue strip across the green and then the red. It is similar to the braid we do while doing a hair. Continue by bringing the bottommost strip among the 2 strips forward and repeat until end. This completes braiding. You can use both the sides as they both look the same. Next, let us see on how to make a corn using this technique of braiding. I take 3 pastel yellow strips of 5 mm width. Stick 2 strips at 90-degree angle and then stick another strip above. Then I start to make the braids. This will become the corn kernels. I bend the braided strip to my desired length for my corn, cut the excess and glue carefully all the strips. I make another similar corn. For the husk of corn, I used a textured green cardstock. Measure the height, fold into half at a little distance and cut into a leaf shape. Check how it fits. Also bend the top of the braided part so that it has a curved top. For the stalk, I cut small strips of thick cardstock on which we are going to do bandaging. I glue 3 strips of cardstock for each stalk. Adhere it to the base. Join the husk to the corn. Bend them at the base to give a curved look. Attach all the husks that we made. Now take a thin strip of green cardstock of around 2 mm, glue them in a slanting manner and wind them around the stalk. Make sure that the inner cardstock doesn't show through. Wind carefully till the tip and glue the end. This is the bandaging technique in quilling. You could use this in any design that you make. For the card, I added 3 mm white pastel yellow strips as border. Write a simple sentiment and stick the corn. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Click the like button and leave your comments on what sort of tutorials do you want from me in the future. Thanks for watching. See you next time.